Merry Christmas, guys. This is my late entry to the Dave Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge. It's simple and basic. I was told I work best under pressure, plus I kind of had no choice. And we're pushing it to that last minute. So let's cross our fingers and hope we get this done. And I know it's going to be pretty awesome.
Wood chips fly like snowflakes fall. Designs take shape for one and all. Santa's workshop's on the screen. Program beauty like a dream. Jingle bits and jingle bytes. CNC projects like the nights. Merry data in the air. Holiday joy everywhere. Machines hum a festive tune, carving joy from morning till noon. Vectors dance with merry glee, gifts crafted with accuracy. Jingle bits and jingle bytes. CNC projects like the nights. Merry data in the air. Holiday joy everywhere. From 3D prints to wooden toys, all through the night, just techie joys. In the workshop, spirits lift. Every cut a Christmas gift. Jingle bits and jingle bytes. CNC projects like the nights. Merry data in the air. Holiday joy everywhere. Toys, all through the night, just techie joys. In the workshop, spirits lift. Every cut a Christmas gift. Jingle bits and jingle bytes. CNC projects like the nights. Merry data in the air. Holiday joy everywhere.
In Santa's new workshop, the tech is alive, printing out presents with a three-dimensional vibe. Gadgets and gizmos come out of thin air. The elves are now coders with futuristic flair. Jingle bells are ringing in a high-tech way. Santa's sleigh is loaded with creations today. 3D magic making all the kids shout. This Christmas ain't nothing like years gone about. Right under the tree, printed with love by Santa's techie spree. Jingle bells are ringing in a high-tech way. Santa's sleigh is loaded with creations today. 3D magic making all the kids shout. This Christmas ain't nothing like years gone about. Deck with creations today. 3D magic making all the kids shout. This Christmas ain't nothing like years gone about. This Christmas ain't nothing like years gone about.
We gather at the workshop tree, metal shaving shimmering like snow. Gift exchanges and laughter echo free. Machines humming in the winter's glow. Christmas with my CNC friends, building memories with every bend. Gears turning like our hearts know end. Together, our joy will always ascend. Wrenches and stockings, bolts in rows. Nutcracker charms for those who know. Blueprints come alive in a festive show. Holiday cheer in every drill's blow. Christmas with my CNC friends, building memories with every bend. Gears turning like our hearts know end. Together,